Friends, welcome to the Lambretta parts video. I ordered Stepney cover plate. Let us unbox it. This is the plate. I will show you how it will be fitted. Oh, along with this plate I received this locking ring also. This is the Stepney. There are 4 studs like on this. It will be fitted here like this. For example, I am showing now the wheel is on Stepney. There are 4 holes here. With the 4 holes it will go like that. These are 4 cat nuts. These will be fitted like this. That's all. It is very simple. The filling point should be inside, otherwise you cannot fit the plate. Why? It will obstruct and it will not get fit. This plate is aftermarket part. In original there will be API written. I will show you. I have that, but that is full of rust. That's what I ordered for this new piece. You can fill the air from here. There is nothing special in this, just for idea. Actually this plate is to basically to cover this part. So instead of keeping it like this, we are simply providing that plate. This is the Stepney plate. Here it is written API. This indicates the manufacturer's name, and 4 nuts are there, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one is not there as it is perished and with full of rust.